Jai Shri Gurudev. Good afternoon, everybody. Dear students, in this session, we can start a new chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Dear students, in the previous class or in the earlier class, we already known about algebraic expressions. Anybody define the algebraic expression? Yes. Algebraic expression means it is a combination of variable and numerals with fundamental operation. Algebraic expression means it is a combination of variables and numerals with fundamental operations. With fundamental operations. Okay. Algebraic expression is a combination of variables. What are variables? What are variables? Now, the name itself indicates variable means it may be a change of its value. Basically, it is a literal factor. It is a literal factor and the value of this goes on changing. Goes on changing. It is called the variable. It is a literal factor and the value of this goes on changing. The English alphabets A, B, C and so on, X, Y, Z are generally used for variables. Okay. For example, 4x, the value of x goes on changing. Otherwise, 5x plus 3. 4x is the one expression, 5x plus 3 is another expression. We can see that in this expression, x is a variable, 5 is a numeral and 3 is a numeral. Numerals with fundamental operation. What are fundamental operation? Yes, addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. These are fundamental operations of mathematics. In this case, plus we can sum 5x plus 3. 3 is added to 5x. This is the expression. Another example is 5y minus 3. It means 3 is subtracted from 5y. 3 is subtracted from 5y. The expression is 5y minus 3. It means 3, the numeral 3. You can write numeral 3. 3 is subtracted from 5y. It means 3 is added to called the algebraic expression. It is a combination of variables and numerals. Numerals means numbers with fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. We see this case 4x. 4x means the product of of 4 and x. Okay, you know that what is variable and the constant numerals. We see that 5y minus 3 is called the constant. The value of 3 is not goes on changing. In this case also the value of 3 is not goes on changing. Okay, then we go to the next concept. Value of an expression. Value of an algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions. Let us consider one expression like 4y minus 3. Let us find the value of this expression. It means by giving any value to the variable y. Suppose put y is equal to 0. The value of this expression is 5. 0 minus 3 is equal to 4 into 0, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. The value of given algebraic expression when the value of y is 0 is minus 3. Suppose put y is equal to minus 2. In place of y, we can put minus 2. 4 into minus 2, minus 3 is, let us say, is equal to 4 2s are 8, minus plus into minus, minus 3 is, let us say, both the numerals having the like signs, same sign, so we can do the addition. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 is the bigger number, so we can write minus here. The value of given expression is minus 11 when y is equal to minus 2. In the same way, put y is equal to plus 3. 4 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 4 3s are 12, minus 3 is equal to 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. We can see that in all these cases the value of expression will be goes on changing when the value of variable will be changed. This is called the value of an algebraic expression. We go to the next concept, terms, factors, and coefficients. we discuss about what are terms, what are factors, and what are coefficients of an algebraic expression. Let us consider one example. 5x square plus 3x plus 4 is an algebraic expression. It have both numeral and variables with fundamental operation. Okay, this is considered as minus 4. First we go to the terms. We can see that this plus and minus separates the terms. It means 5x square. It is a one term, plus 3 is a another term, and minus 4 is a another term. Okay, terms. We can write terms separately. This algebraic expression containing three terms: 5x square plus 3x minus 4. These are called the terms. Then what are factors? It means this term is obtained by which factors? 5x square. It is a product of 5 into x into x. Okay, these are the factors. These are the factor of 5x square. X into x square, x square into 5, 5x square. Similarly, this 3x is formed from the factors 3 into x, 3 into x, 3x. And this is the constant term. It is written as set. Okay. First, we separate the terms. Plus and minus separate the terms, and then factors. The terms are found by which factors? 5x square means 5 into x into x. 5x square, 3x means 3 into x. The constant term is written as same. The value of constant term is minus 4, not only a 4. We can take the minus even also. Then we go to the coefficients. It means coefficient means the numeral factor of a term is called a coefficient. The numeral part of a term is called coefficient. Okay, suppose for example 3y cube. In this case, the coefficient of y cube is the coefficient of variable is 3. Okay, minus 5xy. In this case, the coefficient of the term is minus 5, and then 8x square y square. In this case, what is the coefficient of this factor? Plus 8. In general, coefficient means the numeral part of a term is called coefficient. Suppose x y, which is the coefficient of this term? Yes, 1, because 1 into xy is equal to xy. If there is no numerical factor with the any factor, we can understand that 1 is always there. This is about the coefficients of an algebraic expression. Okay, student. In this session, we can discuss about firstly algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression means it is a combination of variable and what? Numerals with fundamental operation. What is variables? Variable means it's a literal factor. Its value goes on changing. English alphabets, small alphabets, A, B, C and so on. X, Y, Z is generally used for denoting the variables. Constant means it is a fixed number. Its value does not changing. Then terms, factors and coefficient. Terms, it means in an algebraic expression how many terms are, so how many parts are separated by plus and minus. Okay, we know that plus and minus separate the terms. So in this example we can see that 5x square, 3x and minus 4 are the three terms. And go to the factor. Factor means this 5x is followed by which factors? It means 5x square means 5 into x into x. X into x square, x square into 5x square. 3x means 3 into x, 3x. This constant term is written as same. Then finally coefficients. It means the numeral part of a term is called coefficient. Suppose it is a one term. 3 by 2 is a one term. The numeral part of this term, it means 3 is the numeral part of this term. So the coefficient of 3 by 2 is 3. Similarly, minus 5x square. In this case, the numeral factor is minus 5. So the coefficient of minus 5xy is minus 5. In the next case, 8x square y square. The numeral coefficient of 8x square y square is 8. And so the xy is equal to 1. Any coefficient is not there with the term, you can understand that the quotient of that factor is 1. Okay. Then we go to the one last concept. Like and unlike terms. Like and unlike. What are like terms and unlike terms? First, like terms. It is very easy. You simply says a term, an algebraic term having the same variable. It means all the terms having that variable x and the power should be a same. It means all the otherwise and algebraic term having the same variable with same power or exponent. It means, for example, 5x minus 8x and minus 9x and so on. We can see that in all these three terms, variable is same. Okay. First condition is satisfied, having the same variable. Second condition is with same power. We see that the power of x is 1. In this case also 1. In this case also 1. We can say that these three terms are like terms. An algebraic term having the same variable with the same power, the terms are called like terms. Second example, minus 3 x square y 8 y x square and minus 10 x square y. We can see that in all these cases we do not bother about the coefficient. Coefficient goes on changing. Okay, it is not a matter. In the example 2, x y variables are same. First condition is satisfied. Second condition is power. The power of x is 2. In this case also 2. In this case also 2. Second condition is also satisfied. X square y x square both are same. It means 3 into 2, 2 into 3. Both are same. Okay. These are also example for like terms. Second one is unlike terms. Unlike terms. We can easily define anybody. It is opposite to the like terms. An algebraic term does not have the same variable, neither to be a same power. Okay. And algebraic terms does not same variables with same power or different power. Different power. It means I can write same power or different power. It means sometimes two terms having the same variable, but their power will be change. Sometimes the power will be same, but variables need to be same. Example. X square x cubed. We can see that all these three terms have the same variable, but their power 2, 1, 3. So these terms are also unlike terms. Example 2. 8 x square y square 9 z square x square 10 z square y square. We see that x is there, x is there. The power is also same. But in the first term y is there, in the second term z is there. So unlike, we can compare last term z is there, x is there. Power should be the same, but variable is not same. So these terms also considered as an unlike term. All are understood? Like and unlike terms. This is very very important when doing the fundamental operation with an algebraic expression. Okay. Then we go to the other one concept. ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ठीक था
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ठीक था
The last concept is monomial, binomial and trinomial and polynomial. Okay, first one is monomial. Monomial means an algebraic expression having only one term. Mono means one, having only one term is called the